All right, so the first thing you're going to have to do is to click on this link called Lovable. Okay, I've sent the link into the chat, and once you go over to the chat, you're going to see the meeting link right there. Just click on it, and the link to Lovable, click on it, and it will bring you to this interface. You're going to have to create an account on it. Okay, once you create your account, you're going to, at the top right here, you will see your name, right? So it means this is Vibe Codes Lovable. Of course, that is the email I use. So yours is going to be in your name. Okay. So right now we want to start by building something. Okay. Now I want to build a blog. Okay. Let me ask the house. Okay. Let's make it interactive. What do you want me to build? Come on, guys. Anybody can talk.
Portfolio website, but that doesn't need login.
Okay, yeah, portfolio website actually doesn't need login. Okay, yes, but that is fine. Okay, one more. Okay, if you want us to build a portfolio website, as much as all of you right here are learning and you also want to have a portfolio, if you want us to build a portfolio website, raise your hands up. All right, so right now, without further ado, let's create the portfolio website. Now, it is very important that when working with AI, right, you will know what is called prompt engineering. All right, prompt engineering is, okay, let me put it in the layman understanding. In computer science, there's what they call garbage in, garbage out, right? Now, garbage in means the quality of what you put in determines the quality of what you get. Okay? Just the way they say in the real world, to whom much is given, much is expected. Okay? So, in AI, how AI learns and how AI gets anything you want it to do is when you tell it exactly what you want it to do. Okay, and the process is that you tell AI that I want you to create me a portfolio website. That singular word that you have said, or that thing that you have typed into AI, is called prompt. For example, I'm going to say create me a portfolio website. Right? This particular thing I've typed in is called prompt. Okay, now let's go to ChatGPT. Now this is ChatGPT, right? Now, when you ask the question, right? For example, say create me a portfolio website. All right, what you have written here is called prompt. Okay, what you have written here is called prompt. Portfolio prompt. Now, if the response, for example, or maybe you're asking ChatGPT a question and ChatGPT doesn't give you the right answer, right? The process of retyping it and fine-tuning your prompt is called prompt engineering. Okay, the process of fine-tuning your prompt to give you the expected result that you're looking for is called prompt engineering. So right now that we are in ChatGPT, we are going to use ChatGPT. We are going to tell AI to actually create us a prompt that we will use with Lovable. All right, so I'm going to start by saying, create me a portfolio website, but I'm not going to end here. Okay, so what I'm going to tell ChatGPT is that ChatGPT should act as a professional prompt engineer, right, and write me a prompt that I will use to create a portfolio. So you understand the reason why we are doing this is because we human beings are limited in knowledge. We are limited with knowledge, of course, how to put things. Most times we forget a lot of things, okay? But AI does not. And especially, and when you're actually dealing with portfolio, or you're talking about portfolio, there are features that are there that you might not be able to think of. Okay, so right now AI is going to create us the prompt. Instead of us to create a prompt, we are going to tell ChatGPT to create us the prompt. So this is how to create a professional prompt. I have taught you one thing. I've taught you something that was not supposed to be taught. Okay, using AI to actually create a professional prompt. All right, so at the front of the text right here, I'm going to say act as a professional prompt write me a prompt for the following. So the following that I'm talking about is a portfolio website right now, okay? Which this is the following: create me a portfolio website. Basically, I can't really think of anything more, okay? I can't really think of any features, okay? So right now, with this that we have actually typed in, I'm just going to click on enter. Now you're going to see what ChatGPT is going to do for us, okay? Now it's going to be the unlimited knowledge ChatGPT actually have, okay? It knows what and how a portfolio website is going to look like. So this is the prompt it has given us. It says create a stunning, modern and professional portfolio website that showcases my work, skills and so on, okay? So what I'm going to do is to just copy this prompt as it is, right? Then I'm going to come over to Lovable and I'm going to paste, I'm going to delete this, I'm going to paste the prompt in here, okay? Then I'm going to click on enter. Now let's see. Now like I told you earlier on, okay, for you to be able to create an app, you need to plan, okay? What does the planning means? Planning means what color is the app going to be like, what images are going to be on it, what each features and where they are going to be, okay? But if you look back into ChatGPT, that is what ChatGPT has actually done for us, okay? If you look right here, it also talks about the type of font to be used, okay? It talks about that you'll be able to download your CV resume button. It gave us the light and dark mode toggle. That means you'll be able to switch on the light mode and the dark mode on. And if we were actually thinking of that, we wouldn't have thought about that feature, okay? If we were actually planning this project, we wouldn't have thought about that feature. It talked about a whole lot of things, okay? So let's see what, and of course, right here, you have a testimony section, okay? Testimonial section. So we wouldn't have actually thought about that. So right here at the left hand corner of the screen, right, this is where your prompt goes and this is where the thinking happens, okay? Right here is a preview. This is where when your project is ready, it will be displayed right here, okay? Then under right here where it says ask Lovable, this is where you ask Lovable to do or to change anything in your application that you are not satisfied with. All right, so basically these are a little about the interface of Lovable, okay? Right here at the top right here you have this code viewer icon, right, where my cursor is. If you click on it, you're going to see the code, okay? You're going to see the code of the application. It has not displayed yet, right? It's still spinning. So once it's done, right, you're going to see the code will appear here. Everything is just going to be in here, okay? So I need you to try building something for yourself. You can build as many things you want to build with Lovable. If you are just joining Lovable for the first time, they give you free credits to build this platform. Right now I'm using a new account, so I have some free credits to use, okay? If once you use it, once it finishes after 24 hours, they'll give you another credit again to make use of on Lovable. All right, so if you're following up with me, let me know if you're stuck or if there's any issues. So the reason why it's taking long is because there are so many pages it is creating. There are so many pages it is creating. All right, so let's just wait and see when it is done. So who is practicing along? You can do this on your mobile, okay? On your mobile device, you can actually get it done, right? It won't cost you anything. Let me see if I can switch to mobile on PC. Okay, so on PC right here, once you, let's see, this is how your phone is going to look like, okay? You have two buttons right here. You have chat and you have preview. If you click on preview is the interface, okay, of how everything is going to, of your phone, of how the website is going to look like. Chat right here is where you ask or you tell ChatGPT what you want to change. Okay, so basically it is very easy. You can actually get it done on your mobile phone. So as you can see, I think ChatGPT is almost done. Okay, it is right now, it is creating the index page and also generating image. Okay, so it says, I have created a stunning professional portfolio website with modern blue, black and white design. The site will feature. So once it's done, you can see it will open up. It's opening up. It's opening up. Alright guys, can you see this website? What do you think? What do you think about this website? What do you think about this portfolio? I need everyone to talk right now. At the top you have your testimony. If you click on it, it takes you to the testimony of people that you have worked with. Okay, people that you have worked with. For example, this is not me. So all we have to do right now is to start changing information that we have on the website. Right, we start changing. For example, you can upload your resume right now. Okay, you can upload your resume. So what I'm going to do right now is, let me see if I can upload a file attached. So I'm going to upload the resume, my resume, and let's see what it's able to create for me. Okay, it's opened up right in here. So just now, how I did that was, you click on this plus button and it opens up. You click on attach. So we want to attach a file. Okay, so right now I'm going to say, now that I've uploaded my resume right here, I'm going to tell Lovable to update the portfolio website with the contents in my resume. Okay, so what I'm going to say is, update the website with the contents attached from the file. So what I'm actually telling Lovable is that now you should update this website. Okay, remember we didn't tell Lovable, the entire planning phase was how the website was going to look like. We didn't give it any content. Okay, we didn't give it the name, the person's name that we are creating for, the skills and everything. Okay, so all I'm going to have to do is, I've uploaded my resume and I'm going to tell it to update the website with the content attached from the file. So let's see what it's able to do. So Lovable is going through. It says, I will extract the content from your CV and update the portfolio website with your actual information. Okay, so basically this is how you do it. Okay, first what we were able to do was, we created a design. Okay, and this is a design. All right, this is a design, and don't worry, these images and everything is going to be changed. You can upload your image and you tell it exactly what and where you want it to change. Okay, so let's see. Then once it's done, you're going to see that this website will be updated. My name is going to be here, hopefully, and my skills and everything is going to be in here. So right now you can see that it has already updated, right? So if I didn't introduce myself before, right, my name is Gospel Onowi. I am an AR, VR developer and AI expert with immersive technology developer. All right, so this is a brief information about me. Okay, this is a brief information about me, and right now there's a button here that says hire me. Okay, for you to be able to hire me, it takes you directly to the contact me details. Okay, if you click on it, it takes you directly to the contact me details. These are my details. I am from Rivers State, Nigeria. This is my email, this is my phone number, and you can contact me via, right, if you click on this, you can contact me. Gentlemen, there are lots of work to be done, right? It doesn't just end with this, with what we are seeing right here. There's a lot of work to be done. For the testimonial, you can actually sometimes lie about your testimony, right? Or let me put it this way, exaggerate. Let me not lie, exaggerate the testimony that, okay, this is what you have done. This is, most times the reason why you exaggerate, the truth is you need to exaggerate yourself.